What is up, guys? It's Ryder Slasher here. Oh, tipped over the camera a bit. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, what is up, guys? It's Ryder Slasher here, and today we have an unboxing video today. And plus, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already opened it, as you can see here. I couldn't wait. I didn't meant to reference that video. Okay? Anyways, let's get it out. Oh. No way. There it is. The Playrail Thomas. Wow. Look at this bad boy right here. Tell me about it, guys. I wanted this bad boy for a long time. And there's actually one little problem about this guy. No backlining. That really bugs me. But I really don't want to ruin this Thomas. Now I got two white foot plates like this. Yeah, this thing is great. He's not, I mean, he is used. I bought him off eBay for like $20, and he's not really bad damage, except there's some scratches on the on and off switch, but that's okay. I can just fill that up with Sharpie. Yeah. This thing looks really cool, but I should paint, like, right here black to make it look so much better. That's what makes the model so much better. I might also line the insides of the wheels in there to make it look so much better. So yeah, look at this. This thing is so charming looking. I mean, really. Once I first saw it, I want to vomit so bad. I mean, really, look at this. It clearly says Tommy, because Playrail actually took one of the Tommy guy bad boys right here, and they just repainted everything. So yeah, let's give this bad boy a run, shall we? Alright, guys, let's give him a test run in 3, 2, 1, go. What's this? He's moving. He's completely moving backwards. That's right, I actually put the battery backwards so it can run backwards. So in KidMaster, I won't have to reverse anything. This thing is actually that's actually a really cool trick. I actually tested that out with my last Thomas. I've been on the channel for like 2 months now, and it was pretty cool. I mean, look at this thing. It's really rolling backwards. I'm not even using the editing right now. Look, I can actually show you that this is proof. Hold on. I don't want to break this. Look. See? Battery backwards. It actually goes backwards. And this is forward. So yeah. This thing is so cool looking. So yeah, guys, that is gonna be my new Thomas in my new videos. And you might be wondering why I actually bought another one, because the foot plate actually split in half, because I actually slipped on something and it actually broke. I did my best. I did everything I could to protect that foot plate, but I failed it. But at least I got another one, and I say this one looks a lot better. And he didn't even come with Annie and Clarabelle, because I already got the CGI Annie and Clarabelle from the Trackmaster 2 set. See, he does free roll, yes. Including can use the switch for brakes. So yeah, this thing is so... Why is this tripod so stupid? Anyways, yeah, this thing is so cool looking. Look, it says 1992. That was since Sonic 2 came out. I love this thing. So yeah, guys, that's our review with the Playrail Thomas. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you guys next time.